this week's feast?
Pumpkin bread from Steven Universe. We're back again.
Yes.
Steven Universe Part 8. I don't know how many Steven Universe recipes we've done, but they're always amazing and so good.
Hit after hit after hit.
That's right. The ube roll was one of my favorite things they've ever done on the show and we've done in real life. Lars, the master baker on the show, comes up with this incredible pumpkin pie bread cake thing for Steven. We saw it and we immediately knew it's fall. It's time to make this thing.
Yes, we had to try to replicate it, and I think you guys are gonna really enjoy this one.
It's delicious.
Yes.
It's a little more complicated than our normal recipes because we're decorating this thing to look like a real pumpkin.
Yes.
But it's worth it. And you're also gonna get something very special at the end of the episode. We're doing a giveaway.
Yes, I forgot about that.
Yeah, some incredible Feast of Fiction merchandise.
Yeah.
Watch the episode. This is an amazing thing we've made for you,
Yes.
and there's an even sweeter treat at the end. All right, let's get right into the episode though. This one is complicated, so let's do it.
Let's get spooky. We're gonna start by making a homemade pumpkin spice that's cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and ground cloves. Stir these together and you can save this away for use in future recipes if you'd like. Our cake batter is a basic box cake recipe combined with a can of pumpkin puree, 2 teaspoons of our pumpkin pie spice, and a little extra cinnamon on top. Stir it until it's completely mixed, and first fill up a little cupcake and then bring in your floured bundt pans for the rest of the batter. We'll need to make 2 of these to complete the pumpkin effect. Next comes the frosting, which is as always an absurd amount of softened butter, cream cheese, pumpkin puree, and pumpkin pie spice before mixing it all together. Now slowly add in cup after cup of powdered sugar and keep stirring. Yes, this is an unhealthy, albeit ridiculously tasty frosting. So it goes in the baking world. To give it that perfect color, add in orange gel food coloring, a little more powdered sugar to get the exact right consistency, and you've got an amazing frosting. When your bundt cakes are done baking, trim the bottoms of each with a knife or leveler. Place a layer of frosting in the middle, smooth it out, and line the bundt cakes on top of each other so they match. Next, using a knife, we're going to make the pumpkin shape really stand out by working around the cake and cutting out divots in between the bundt cake's rounded edges. Place your single muffin in the middle of the 2 to fill the gap, and let's begin the frosting process. This is going to take a while, so be patient and be thorough. We're starting it off with an initial layer of frosting just to cover as much as possible, sticking it in the fridge, letting it cool, and coming back to put another layer on, covering any dark spots, and continually smoothing and refrigerating it. In total, this took 3 passes before it got to the shape and consistency we wanted for the look. When you're done, just apply some Cool Whip on top, and voila! You're just as proficient of a baker as Lars is with this pumpkin bread in a pumpkin-shaped pumpkin cake. Just 1 slice into the middle reveals what a great-looking bake this is, and the flavor is to die for. Pretty spooky, right?
I don't even want to eat it.
Why?
It looks so good. Oh, okay, we're eating it.
Sorry, we're eating it. Just.
I love pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin cake.
It's actually pumpkin bread.
I love pumpkin
But
bread
yes,
too.
it is cake. It may not be 6 different moons, but it's 2 layers of bundt perfection.
Yeah, this is nice.
Right?
Yeah. I can't. Oh, this is so good.
So good, so rich.
I love it.
Pumpkin
Steven
spice
Universe.
buttercream.
I know.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow. This really has a lot of layers to it. Usually when you eat the cake, it's like 1, eat it. Oh, it's great and it's done. This hits you with like a left hook, a right hook, some spice here, a little pumpkin there. Oh my gosh.
It's not too pumpkin-y either.
No, it's not too. That's great. And then the frosting has cream cheese in it too. Oh.
Yeah, it's so good. The elements combined are amazing.
No, seriously, this may be the best cake I've eaten in a very long time.
Whoa.
I've eaten a lot of cakes on
That
the
is
show.
a bold statement.
That is a bold statement.
Wowie.
I'm a bold kind of guy.
Look, you're still eating it.
Steven Universe, thank you again for providing another great recipe, some inspiration for us. May this show never end.
Ever
Seriously,
end.
this show is incredible.
I know, and the food is so cute.
It's so cute. And
Each
it's
recipe gets cuter and cuter and cuter.
cuter. And oh my gosh, the ube rolls were amazing. If you guys want to see the other Steven Universe videos we've made in the past, all of them below, description box. Click them.
Yep, and be sure to let us know in the comments what you want to see us make next.
That's right. And something very special for everyone, we're doing a giveaway! Woo! Look at this. Believe it or not,
Whoa,
folks, we
socks.
have socks.
They're flying in everywhere.
Ah!
Whoa.
Ah! Check it out. These are
Wow.
these are actual socks with the Feast of Fiction logo
Cool.
on both sides.
Oh my gosh, they look legit.
Yeah, that's right. So we're
Whoa.
testing out merchandise. Obviously, we want to just give away some stuff first and let us know if you guys like this. This is really awesome. I'm gonna rock these the next time I'm playing basketball for
I was
sure.
gonna ask, in New Zealand, when you're like buffing up with your trainer, are you gonna wear these?
People were like, Jimmy, why are you wearing your own show's socks? I'd be like, why not?
Do they know it's your own
They're
show?
comfortable.
Do
Yeah,
they know?
of course.
Your
for sure.
Milan cast knows about Feast of Fiction.
Yeah, I
Don't
told them all.
play.
I told them all.
Interesting. Well, maybe we should send some to New Zealand so they're all working out together in Feast of Fiction socks.
And you can too. All you gotta do to find out how to win some of these socks, and we got a lot of them, is follow us on Instagram at
That's right.
Feast of Fiction, and all the details will be there.
Yes.
Anyway, find us on the internet, on Instagram, to find out how to win these socks. And
that's all you gotta do. It's so easy.
that's right. Look at, hey, hold on, we gotta give some of those away.
We'll see.
We'll see. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching.
Yep. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.